Hi everyone, I hope you're really well. Welcome or indeed welcome back to the channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe. Today we have another latest in beauty unboxing, and this one I feel is quite a special one. Now, you probably already know what I'm going to say if you watched my recent Get Ready With Me video. I have unboxed quite a few latest in beauty boxes. I really enjoy the service that they provide and the products that I've discovered. If you're unfamiliar with what latest in beauty is, it's essentially one of these subscription and non-subscription beauty box kind of services where they have a selection of products that you can either choose from, so you are actually in control of what products you're getting in this beauty box, which is one of the main reasons why I love it so much. So you can go for that option and you can either subscribe to that and you save a little bit of money, or you can just get them as and when you feel like giving yourself a treat, which is fabulous. They also do curated boxes as well, where they get together with various different people, whether it be a beauty blogger, or if you saw their recent very exciting collaborative box, that was with Disney, and it was to celebrate Beauty and the Beast. So they did a Beauty and a Beast box for both her and him, which was very exciting. I resisted though, I didn't get one of those, because like I said, I like to be able to be in control of the things that I am getting. Now, you may or may not be aware that recently I celebrated my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. Yes, I have been sat here chatting away for a whole year, can you believe it? So, to celebrate this, I contacted Latest in Beauty and said, hey, it's my YouTube anniversary, is there any chance that you could give me something that I could give my lovely viewers to say thank you? And you know what they said to me? They said yes. So, I'll put all the details in the description box below, but what they've done is they've given me a 30% off code for you guys, which I think is absolutely fantastic, because I really wasn't expecting them to give me anything at all. But they did, so thank you so much, Latest in Beauty. All you need to do if you want to take advantage of the 30% off is go for the subscription box service that they do, and then you just type in the code WavyKate at the checkout and you'll save yourself 30%. So to give you an example of this, I usually go for the 9 product box, which is £18 if you subscribe to it per month. With the 30% off, that box is only going to cost you £12.60, which I think for 9 products is an absolute bargain. So that is that said. If you want to take advantage of that code, you are more than welcome to. It does have an expiry date, but I'll pop all the details of that in the description box below. So anyway, let's get on to unboxing my Latest in Beauty box. What I love about Latest in Beauty boxes is that they come with kind of a theme. I personally have had this theme before, but I don't mind, it's no problem. This is the Beauty is my duty theme, and it's all pink and pretty. And look, see, I haven't even opened this yet. This has been sat in my wardrobe waiting for this moment for us to go through it together. Even though I know what's already in here, I do kind of forget as well. But I want to be able to unbox my choices with you guys. So, are you ready? Oh my goodness! They've given me another bag. I didn't actually request this. Maybe you get a free bag if you subscribe. I already have one of these bags, which is absolutely fantastic for fitting lots of stuff in. It's just this kind of canvas black bag, but it's a fabulous size, although I think this looks slightly smaller than the one I've got already. The other one that I've got, I take swimming with me, and I put my underwear and deodorant and a little bit of makeup in it, because I like to know it's all in one place. It also fits in all of my planning and bullet journal stuff, so... But this one looks like it might be a little bit smaller, but I wasn't expecting that, so that's a lovely surprise. And it says on the back, not just a pretty face. Wow, I think everything that I picked actually fit in here, which is slightly concerning because I thought I'd picked quite a lot of big things, but we will see. I've got a few samples in the bottom as well, and I'm suspecting that this is going to be a freebie, because another thing that Latest in Beauty do, they quite often chuck in freebies every now and again. I've had a sheet mask before, I've had toothpaste, I've had hand sanitizing gel, and today we have... Ooh, Reviving Eye Cream, Intensive Age Repair Cream, and skin balancing cleanser in this very cool looking packaging from a company called Gazelli, which I have never heard of before. And I've also got a £5 off code as well if I happen to love it. So yay for bonus things. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I appreciate a sample, because who knows where it could lead in terms of discovering amazing stuff. Right, let's open the bag. It's so exciting. What have we got first? There's a big box. Let's go for that one. Oh, okay, right. I've been wanting to get this for ages. Every time I've seen it in their menu of products that you can get. This is a reed diffuser, by the way. And I keep looking at it and thinking, oh, I bet that's really nice. But I keep thinking, no, let's just scroll past it. But the great thing is they do actually do quite a good selection of beauty, hair care, skincare, and homey kind of stuff as well. And let's face it, I have a young child and a dog, and, you know, it doesn't smell quite as lovely as I would like it to a lot of the time here. So I thought I'd give this a go. This is from Rituals, and it's a reed diffuser, and the scent is Under a Fig Tree, because I thought that sounded lovely. You get 50ml in this, and I imagined it was going to be smaller than this, but it seems quite sizable. I did look it up on the internet first to just read a few reviews on what the scent seemed to be like, and it sounded really nice. So let's see if I can get this out without breaking anything. So obviously you've got some sticks there, and then you've got this cute little bottle. It's quite a lot in there actually. I'd imagine that would last a little while. Okay, so I'm guessing you just take the top off. Oh, that's nice. And then I guess you put the sticks in, and then you put that back on top, I'm thinking. That is really nice. It's a very sweet, kind of almost woody, but definitely fruity kind of scent. That is lovely. It's definitely quite a sweet one, but really, really nice. So very much looking forward to my house smelling of this and not what it currently smells of. I'm amazed it's all fit in this bag, which is quite exciting. What's this? Ooh, okay, this is another smelly one. We've got a perfume here. Now, I am super fussy when it comes to perfumes, but this was a rose-scented perfume, and I couldn't resist it because the description of it sounded beautiful. And I'm hoping I'll like it, because this is quite a big one. This is from Miller Harris, and it's Rose Silence Eau de Parfum. Let's have a little sniff. For the intimist, a personal, reflective Sunday morning moment. Okay, see, look, it's actually quite a decent size, so I'm really hoping that I like it. Be great for going in a handbag as well. Right, let's keep everything crossed that this is nice. Oh, it's nice. It's definitely rose, so if rose is not your thing, you ain't gonna like this, but I wouldn't suspect that you'd be picking it up anyway. It's a really nice, very clean and fresh rose scent, so I'm looking forward to seeing how that smells on the skin, because obviously that can change everything, but certainly from a first impressions in the air point of view, it's beautiful. Right, what is next? Okay, I recognise this packaging right away. This was from Evolve Organic Beauty, and this is a citrus blend aromatic wash for hands and body with juniper, lime and lemon, and you've got 60ml in here. I really like the packaging of this. I've not heard of this brand, but then to be fair, Latest in Beauty have introduced me to many brands that I'd never heard of before, so, you know, I keep an open mind with these things. Oh my goodness. That is good. It's a very vibrant, zesty, fresh citrus scent, and that is gorgeous. So I cannot wait to use this. I'm a massive fan of citrus scents in general. I just find them really uplifting. They just put you in a really nice mood. This is the reason why I'm trying to find something in perfume form that's a really nice citrus. And unfortunately, I've just not found it yet, but that is very nice. Got a tube here. This is from the White Company, and it's their Seychelles hand and nail cream, and the scent is bergamot, amber and vanilla. I'm quite fussy when it comes to hand cream. I do have some absolute favourites, but when I read the reviews of this and how good they were and how nice the scent sounded, I just thought we've got to try it. My hands have been really dry lately, so another hand cream is always welcome. It's described as being like a warm Indian Ocean breeze. Soothing Seychelles is an evocative blend with notes of rich amber, fresh bergamot and bright orange, warmed by notes of exotic coconut, vanilla and almond. It's a rich, nourishing cream and contains natural shea butter and sweet almond oil. It's really difficult to read the packaging because it's really shiny. Okay, here we go. Oh, that just smells like a holiday. That smells exactly like going somewhere tropical on a beach holiday. The smell reminds me so much of my wedding moon, whatever you want to call it. I got married abroad. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. That is going to be absolutely beautiful to use when you want to kind of transport yourself to somewhere other than whatever current weather situation you've got going on. Although today, to be fair, it's beautifully sunny outside. Yesterday was another story. It was hailing on and off all day. But today, it's gorgeous. It's a really hard scent to describe. Not as spicy as I was expecting it to be. There's definitely a warmth in there, and it is quite coconutty, but there's a warmth in there as well, and it just smells like a really, really nice sun cream. It's got that kind of smell in there, but it's by no means an unpleasant smell. This is gorgeous. I'm so glad I read the reviews of this because it smells amazing. Okay, what have we got next? Okay. If you are a regular to the channel and have seen previous Latest Done Beauty unboxings, you'll know that I have had this already. But when it was still in stock, I just thought, I'm gonna get it because this is quite a pricey product and it's also really nice because I have already used it. I think I might have picked this up in my last Latest Done Beauty box. This is from Oskia and it's their Renaissance Mask. I absolutely love Oskia's Renaissance Cleansing Gel, and when I saw that they had something else in the Renaissance range, I was like, yes, didn't even need to think about it. What this is very similar to the Renaissance Cleansing Gel if you're familiar with it. It's this tub of this lovely rose-scented gel. Yes, I love a rose scent as well as a citrus scent. But it's a very delicate and subtle rose scent. When I got this in my last box, I kind of predicted that maybe it would do 4 to 5 uses. I think it's actually going to do a lot more uses than that because I've already used the other one that I picked up about 3 times and there's still a ton left in there. Because yay, you don't need to use very much, which I'm always a fan of when you don't need to use a lot of something. It's a lovely, thick, balm-like texture. You just rub it into your face, and if it goes white, then you're doing the right thing, apparently. Don't expect it to go completely white all over your face, because it won't do that. It does kind of settle back down again. But you just rub it into your face, and then you leave it for about 10 to 20 minutes, I think it is, depending on how sensitive your skin is. And it just gently exfoliates, but also hydrates your face as well. So I really loved this mask. It was absolutely beautiful. I'm quite a face mask fan. I quite like having a few different ones, depending on how my skin's feeling at the time. And I find myself reaching for this quite often, just purely because it feels very luxurious to massage it in, because it is kind of balmy, but it smells really relaxing and beautiful. So it's a really nice one to use in the evening as well, when you're prepping your skin for all the sleep that you're hoping to get. Okay, what's next? Okay, we've got a cleansing oil here. This is from Sanctuary, and this is 50ml in here. The reason why I chose this one is I'm a huge fan of cleansing oils. I don't tend to have a huge amount of time to dedicate to my skincare, but what time I do have, I like to try and maximise it as much as possible. And I find that in the evening when I want to remove my makeup, cleansing oils are by far the quickest way to remove makeup, because you're literally just putting a few drops in your hand, smushing it around your face, taking off your mascara as well, and then rinsing your face off. And time again, I just love reaching for a cleansing oil. My current cleansing oil, which is from Una Brennan's Super Facialist range, is nearly run out. So I thought, let's give another one a go and see what this is like, because I do quite like Sanctuary products. For me, smell is quite an important factor as well. Not all cleansing oils are created equally. I've tried some that have not worked quite so well. The Burt's Bees one springs straight to mind that I featured in a previous Empties video. It was okay, but I didn't feel like it removed mascara as efficiently as some other cleansing oils that I've used. And plus, I wasn't a massive fan of the smells. So, let's have a little look at this one. I can still smell that hand cream. Okay, this doesn't really smell like much at all actually, which I wasn't expecting, because Sanctuary products usually are quite known for their yummy scents. The more I'm rubbing it in, the more it does have a bit more of a subtle spa-like kind of smell to it. But at least it's not an offensive smell, because that would definitely be worse. Right, there can't be many things left in here now. We have a lip balm. There's two things I can't really resist in life. One is a lip balm, and two is the colour yellow. It's one of my favourite colours. It's just such a happy, cheerful colour. And I've always wanted to try one of these lip balms, so I saw it and I just thought, yes, let's do it. So this is from Bubble Tea, and it's their Lemongrass and Green Tea Lip Balm. And just in case you were thinking of it, it says "Don't eat me" on the front. So it's actually, I think that's supposed to look like a little macaroon or macaron, however you want to say it. I do actually have some lip balm on at the moment, so I might not try it right away. This is what it looks like inside. No obvious scent straight away. It looks like a pretty bog standard lip balm really, a very thin textured lip balm, which does actually smell really pretty. It's got quite a subtle lemon scent to it. I think because I've got so many scented things around me at the moment, it's throwing everything off a little bit. I love the packaging of this. How cute is that? I'm not sure how that would look if you tried to stick it in your jeans pocket or something, so it might have to go in the handbag. Looking forward to trying that when I don't actually have something on my lips already. Oh, I think it's just two things next. Let's go for the box. Okay, so I picked up some bath oil, and I think this is pronounced Olverum. I'm not sure about that, but that's what it looks like. You got 15ml in here. So it says this is a unique and luxurious aromatic blend of 10 essential oils. With just a few drops in your bath, these carefully chosen extracts combine to help ease stress and relax tension in both mind and body, bringing you back to your complete and natural self. And it says this is enough for 3 baths, so I just use a third each time. I really like the idea of bath oils, and a couple of Christmases ago in the sale I picked up some bath oils from Aromatherapy Associates, which I feel like is a brand like everyone goes completely nuts for. It's apparently a brand that's usually carried in quite high-end hotels. A lot of beauty bloggers talk about it, and I was so disappointed with the ones that I had. Sure, they were okay, but I thought it was quite overpriced, and one of them, when it was in the bath, smelt like tobacco, and you know, who wants that? So I did nervously pick this up, but I read lots of reviews that were very positive of this particular bath oil. So let's have a little sniff. That's really nice. It's definitely a very relaxing scent. I don't think, have they put in here what 10 oils it is? Oh, there's a little booklet in here, so maybe it says there. This is going to be really nice to use. It smells gorgeous, and once it combines with the hot water and it just fills your bathroom with that scented steam, it's going to be a good one. Okay, so these are the different oils that are in here. We've got Siberian fir, groundnut, lavandin, eucalyptus, lemon, rosemary, exotic verbena, lavender, lime, juniper, and geranium flower. I can definitely tell there's geranium in there because that's just one of my favourite scents, as well as lavender. Oh, that's beautiful. It reminds me of a facial oil that I've used actually. It smells gorgeous, so I cannot wait to try this one out. Which means there's only one product left in my bag, and it's all gone. And it is from Bumble and Bumble, and this is their Hairdressers Invisible Oil Primer. This is one of these products that I have always wanted to try. It's been on my radar for a long time. I actually really quite like the brand Bumble and Bumble, but I find that it's a little bit expensive. So when I saw that they had a Bumble and Bumble product, I was like, yes, 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 definitely. You get 30ml in here, and as far as my understanding goes, you just literally spray this into your damp hair, and then you just style your hair however you would do. So I'll be interested to see if this really helps transform my hair at all and make it look a bit better. This looks like it's going to be quite a decent size to use. Don't know if it has any scent at all. Oh, it's got a really pleasant scent actually. It's actually got a really nice haircare kind of scent to it, but an expensive haircare scent to it. So very much looking forward to trying this. And when it's run out, I will probably find another use for this little bottle as well, because how cute is that? Hopefully, whilst I have been talking about these products, I've been putting some recommended retail prices on screen, because I'm really not sure what the total of this is going to be. I paid £18 for this beauty box because I have actually decided to subscribe to the 9 product box, because I was pretty much getting it every month anyway. Normally for a one-off box, which is how I was doing it before, it would cost you £25, and I just thought there's quite a good saving there to be made, you know, £25 £25, £18. I get it pretty much every month anyway, so let's just subscribe to it. So just to quickly count and recap, we had the Reed Diffuser, Rose Perfume, Citrus Hand and Body Wash, Hand Cream, Face Mask, Cleansing Oil, Lip Balm, Bath Oil and Hair Primer, as well as these little skincare freebies as well. I think I've picked up a really good selection now. I feel like I've covered quite a broad spectrum in terms of different products to try, so I'm so excited. And they all fit in this little bag as well, so that's absolutely fantastic. So like I said, I paid £18 for this beauty box, but the retail value of all of the products is... and I still don't know because obviously I've not worked it out yet, but hopefully I've put it on screen. So I'm really pleased with the selection that I got today. And like I said, if you'd like to save 30% off your first subscription box, I've put all the details in the description box below. So that is it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up down below because it does really help support my channel. And if you are new here and would like to subscribe to see more content from me in the future, I will pop a button just here so you can click it and get notified of new content as and when it gets uploaded. And if you've not seen my last video, I will pop a link to that one just up here too so you can click it and check it out. Anyway, I hope you're all really well and I will see you again soon. Bye!